The skin's acid mantle. Balancing your skin's protection and health. Your skin isn't just a surface. It's a carefully balanced ecosystem. At the heart of this is the skin's acid mantle, a slightly acidic protective layer. The skin's surface has a pH of 5.4 to 5.91, which is slightly acidic. This acidity isn't random. It's crucial for your skin's health. The acid mantle acts as a barrier, helping to keep the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. It helps in maintaining the permeability barrier by promoting the maturation of the hydrophobic lipid barrier. An acidic pH also helps to inhibit harmful bacteria and allows essential enzymes to function properly. This ensures your skin stays healthy. But what happens when the acid mantle is damaged? A higher skin pH can lead to problems such as impaired barrier function, sensitivity to irritants, and susceptibility to infections. It can also lead to inflammation and conditions like eczema and acne. Several factors can affect the skin's pH. These include your age, with newborns and the elderly having higher skin pH, genetics, skin moisture, and even the specific body site. External factors, such as harsh soaps, detergents, and frequent washing can also cause a significant rise in skin pH. The acid mantle is maintained by lactic acid and amino acids from sweat glands, free fatty acids from sebum, and urocanic acid and pyrrolidone carboxylic acid from the skin itself. So, how do you keep your skin healthy? Choose pH-balanced skincare products. These are designed to support your skin's natural acid mantle. Avoid harsh soaps and pay attention to how your skin reacts to different products. By understanding and protecting your skin's acid mantle, you're investing in its long-term health and radiance. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us as we embark to know more.